channel. So today we're in California, and we're at Lassen Volcanic National Park, and we're gonna get a picture. So we just got here like really early this morning at like 1 a.m. So I'm still really tired, but I had some caffeine, so I'm good. So we're going to take a picture, and there's Eliana. So today we're in California. Eliana, how's it going? Good. Ava? How's it going? Yeah. So we're in the car and we're heading to our way. Oh, we are. But so we're on our way to our hike though, because we're gonna do a hike. And I'm tired. I'm tired. Ellie, what you reading? What's it about?
I haven't figured that out yet. Just rolling with the homies. I like fly.
Sure. So, Ava. So this is our rental car for a trip. It's a minivan. It's very nice. It has this little screen thing. Oh, Ellie, our movie's playing.
Dang it!
A movie's playing.
Flabberjacks.
Okay.
Oh no.
We're gonna pause that, please.
I did.
Listen.
Okay, so let's see you guys on our hike.
Where are we at, Mom?
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So we are on our hike today, and it feels kind of good, but I'm sweaty, and it stinks. Stinks.
It smells like.
It
Oh,
smells.
I see it.
It's farting. Here, show them the view. Here.
We
Okay.
gotta flip it around.
Yeah. Okay, so it's right around this corner, so let's go. I've slipped a couple times, but that's okay. You guys see the steam over there? So, this is the hike. And look down there.
Oh, look at that.
Okay, so here we are. Here's the bridge. It is stunning.